Hello, friends. Many of you have been sending me DMs asking, our TikTok draft videos have been deleted. How can we get them back? So first, let me explain when your TikTok drafts get deleted. Draft videos are removed when you uninstall the TikTok app or when you log into your account on another device. At that moment, your drafts are automatically erased. In today's video, I'll show you live proof of whether it is possible to recover your TikTok draft videos or not. First, you need to open the account where the draft videos were deleted. So let's open TikTok. You can see here, one draft video is still available, but the rest have been deleted. Now, how do we try to bring them back? On the top right, tap the three lines. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Inside, scroll again until you find Report a Problem. Then choose the Report option. Scroll a little and you'll see the Report a Video option. Select that. Here, TikTok asks, is your problem solved? If yes, choose yes. If not, choose number. Since my problem is not solved, I'll tap number. Then you'll see, need more help. TikTok will now ask what kind of issue you are facing. Since mine is about posts, I'll type how to recover drafts. And here is the official TikTok answer. Now I will submit a ticket. So this is the live proof I wanted to show you. Unfortunately, once your drafts are deleted, you cannot bring them back. After sending the report, you will have to wait 24 hours for a response from TikTok support. That's it for today's video. I hope you understood everything clearly. Tell me in the comments what you think. See you in the next video.